How to use Chrome extensions on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Play Store on your device. Then tap on search icon at the bottom right corner. Then type Firefox. Then tap on search and tap on install. After installing, simply go back to the home screen. Now open up Firefox on your device. Then tap on continue. Then tap on not now. Again tap on save and continue. Then tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now simply tap on extensions. Now here you can find most of the Chrome extensions. If you want to add more of them, simply scroll all the way down to the bottom. Then tap on find more extension. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.